we've reached a point here in New Hampshire criminal justice that it basically takes a completed homicide to hold someone in pretrial detention.
The voice of law enforcement is coming through loud and clear in Concord on the issue of bail reform. As police agree to other reforms on accountability and training, they are seeking to roll back a law passed in 2018 that they have long contended is making it far too easy for violent offenders to get out of jail.
Repeat offenders that we arrest continually who are not held or detained in jail.
Bail reform was intended to keep people with no money from getting stuck behind bars. But almost immediately after its passage, those issues arose with violent offender releases and a major spike in skipped court dates. Some at the State House initially pointed the finger at police and the courts.
It's not the legislature's fault if prosecutors don't argue their case. It's not the legislature's fault if some judges misinterpret.
After 2 years of tweaks to bail reform, Senate Majority Leader Jeb Bradley says it's time to fix things once and for all.
What we don't want to see is violent criminals or people that just thumb their nose at the criminal justice system being set free with basically no bail.
Supporters of bail reform say before any changes are made, they want to see data about pretrial releases. But the state doesn't collect any, and it could take years to set up a system. Either way, they believe this bill is too pro-law enforcement.
I mean, it does feel like a sort of one-sided approach to fixing something that has been years in the making.
Police say the state can no longer afford not to act.
We're not talking about the individuals who, they commit a crime, they walk in, steal a pack of gum or something from Walmart. We're talking about serious violent crimes here.
In Concord, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.